just a quick video to present 20 random acts of kindness. Sometimes we are so busy with our own lives, we sometimes forget others. Research shows that helping others can be beneficial to our own mental health. Number 1. Call a friend that you haven't spoken to for a while. Number 2. Send a letter to a grandparent. Number 3. Send flowers to a friend. Number 4. Offer to pick up some groceries for your elderly neighbor. Just remember, it's so important to look after each other within our communities. This is how we protect and sustain good mental health for all. Back to the list. Number 5. Send someone a handwritten note. Number 6. Offer to babysit for a friend. Number 7. Offer to walk a friend's dog. Number 8. Try and make someone laugh. Number 9. Offer to cook for a friend. Number 10. Make a cup of tea for a friend or work colleague. Number 11. Send a motivational text to a friend who is struggling. Number 12. Sign up to do voluntary work in your local community. Number 13. Say good morning to someone. You may be the lonely they see during the day. Number 14. Lend your ear, listen to your colleague who is having a bad day. Number 15. Give praise to your colleague for something they've done well. Number 16. Take a minute to help someone who is lost. Number 17. Bake a cake for your colleagues. Number 18. Plant a tree. Number 19. Help a friend pack when they move house. Number 20. Share positive posts on your social media pages. Thanks for watching this video. Please stay safe and don't be afraid to get help for your mental health if you need it.